Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Capcut Join Pro export error problem. So if you want to export your projects in the Capcut PC and then you'll find this kind of problem when you try to export, Capcut will ask you to join the Pro because you are using the following Pro feature or material. So this is the Pro materials that I'm using. This one is animation. So what you need to do to fix it is just need to delete the animation. So here I'm going to go to click on back to edit, and then in here I'm going to go to animation and replace the animation with the free one. So I'm going to just, let's say, use the swing right here. And now when I try to export, the join pro option will not show up again because I'm not using pro materials now. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.